In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to publish your chart on TradingView's platform. Now, for the sake of the video, I've just randomly placed some support and resistance levels on my Euro USD chart. So let's say you've prepared your technical analysis, you've placed your trend lines, your channels, your support and your resistance levels, and you are now ready to publish to TradingView. What should you do and how do you do this? Well, once you're satisfied with your chart, the process is fairly simple. To the top right-hand side of your screen, you can see that there is a button named Publish. Once you left-click on this button, you're presented with a variety of ideas. Let's say you want to publish our idea. We can left-click on this and we're taken to this area here. You can give it a title and then you can write even your technical analysis. And then you can add your chart by giving the link. Let's say though, this is not what you're looking for. You can exit this area, go back to the Publish button, left click it, and then you could record. So you could publish it, and of course there are some terms and conditions, but you could create a video. But let's say video is not your style. Well, there is a third option. You can click on Publish once again, and you can speak your mind. Speaking your mind essentially brings you to the conversation for the euro against the US dollar. It is important to remember that depending on which instrument you have open, that is where the mind will go. So let's say the euro US dollar, I'm thinking that it is bullish. And I've typed that in, I just want to share my chart. You can click on this indicator here and you can attach your chart as well, which means that once this is published, the chart will be accompanied as well. And then all you need to do is click on post, and that would be shared to the mind sections of TradingView.